Sunrise Institute for Computer and Language Training. Sunrise Institute for Computer and Language Training. My name is Imad Hamid Adam. I'm an English teacher, also French teacher, computer science trainer, and the author of the series of Tell Me A, Tell Me B, Tell Me C. I have written a lot of books in my life, about 8 books. About 5 of them have been recognized in the Ministry of Education in Sudan, Bakhtaoula. I am the founder of Sunrise Institute for Computer and Language Training, which is located in Darfur, in Farbranca locality. Our lesson today is about what we call the articles, the indefinite articles. The indefinite articles are a and an. So here, if you see, we say that we have a and an. So a and an, we use a and an for singular nouns. For singular nouns, we use a and an for singular nouns. We have a here for the words that start by consonant letter, and an for the words that start in vowel letter. Or in a developed English, we often say that for the words that are starting in consonant sound, and for the words that are starting in vowel sound, and it's the same. Great. Let's see what will happen. Here, when we say we use and for singular nouns. If you say, for example, book, you say ruler, you say table, you say, for example, class, you say mobile, and you say, for example, pen, and then you say egg, elephant, orange, then umbrella. You have, for example, you say, for example, apple, and so on. So these are the singular nouns, and so we use an before them. As I told you, this a before consonant later, and an before vowel later or vowel sound. What are the vowels? Here, look here. These are the vowel letters: a, e, I, o, u. And between two brackets we have y. Y is 50% consonant letter and 50% vowel letter. That's not important in our lesson here. You have a, e, I, o, u, and all the rest of the letters are consonant letters. Then you say here, if you find a letter that is a vowel letter, you can use an. If you find it is what we call the consonant letter, so you use a. For example, let's see the initials of the words. For example, here we have B. B is consonant or vowel? No, B is consonant. So you say a book. You have ruler. So R is consonant. You say a ruler. Table, T is consonant, so you say a table. Class, C is consonant letter or consonant sound, so you say a class. Mobile, as M is consonant, so you say a mobile. And pen here, P is consonant, so you say a pen. And egg here, egg, here, E is vowel. Then you can say an egg. An elephant here, an elephant. Orange, O is vowel, you say an orange. Umbrella, U is vowel, so you say an umbrella. Apple, A is vowel, so you say an apple. Yes. So this is not very complicated. It says that singular nouns. We have a, and we use them for singular nouns. They say that this a, we use this a when a word starts in a consonant letter, and we use an when a word starts in a vowel letter or a vowel sound. And so now here we have a book, a ruler, a table, a class, a mobile, a pen, an egg, an elephant, an orange, an umbrella, an apple. This is now great. And then let's just jump to the next. At the same time, if I want to make this plural. So this is now singular noun. But how can you transform these singular nouns into plural nouns? Great. So let's say that here we have plural nouns. Plural nouns. For plural nouns, it's not very complicated. Because don't forget, there we say that a book, a pen, a ruler, an elephant, an apple. When we want to form these into plural nouns, we often omit. We omit what we call this a is omitted, and we put s. So you say a book, it becomes books. So it becomes books. Look. Then we often omit this. We omit this. This a is omitted. This an is omitted. You omit this out, and then you can form. Then this one becomes books for plural. Ruler becomes rulers. And table becomes tables. And class becomes classes. Becomes classes. And mobile becomes mobiles. Mobile. And so pen becomes pens. And egg here becomes eggs. Elephant becomes elephants. Elephants. And orange becomes orange. Orange. Umbrella becomes umbrellas. Becomes umbrellas. And here, apple and apple becomes apples. So, it's not. So, what have we done here? After forming the singular nouns, we came to the plural nouns. In the plural nouns, we say that we can omit the indefinite article at the beginning here, and instead we add s at the end of the word. So here we say a book, books, a ruler, rulers, a table, tables, a class, classes, a mobile, mobiles, a pen, pens, an egg, eggs, an elephant, elephants, an orange, orange, an umbrella, umbrellas, an apple, apples. So then in the next video we can see the other irregular forms of the plural nouns, because sometimes not all English tenses can only take s, because some of them can take es, some of them can take ies, and so on, and some of them even they cannot take s. For example, like the word, if you say for example the word phenomenon, then the plural form can be phenomena. When you say a phenomenon, you say phenomena. So like this. So we will see such words in the coming video. Thank you very much.